you laughing at? Football or your dinosaurs? He likes the small ones better than that big one.
Is this everything you dreamed about?
How many times did he see that in the garage and want
it? Where's the thing that the button?
You do his tail like there's a button here, and then there's this. Look.